Howdy, and welcome to Texan Shaves Blizzard Battles Round 8. We have the last new contestant entering the arena, and that is Cold Fusion from Wet the Face. This one's very interesting. It's a very soft crope, and if you notice there's a blue spot in there, it's an extra added dose of menthol, as well as there are crystals on top. This one is pretty intense, and personally I think it's the favorite in this battle. It is going up against the returning Mr. Fine Snakebite. Notes on these: this is just menthol. That's it. The alcohol, the splash, the ingredients are water, alcohol, menthol. So that's all the scent notes for this. Cold Fusion is peppermint oil, camphor, and menthol. So it's going to be a pretty interesting battle. When I received Cold Fusion, this was on top of the package, this warning, and I'll put it up on the screen so you can read it. It says, warning, Cold Fusion contains the maximum amounts of menthol crystals, which may be irritating to sensitive skin. If irritation starts, please discontinue use at once. Due to its high content of menthol crystals, please avoid getting this into your eyes. So that's the warning. This is a sticker. I'm going to find a place to put that. Yeah, so this one ought to be a pretty unique battle. I will be using, of course, if you saw my live yesterday, the Lone Star. If you haven't seen it, here's your first look at it. It is beautiful. The shave I had yesterday in the live, it's now almost 8 p.m. and I still barely have anything to shave. I was worried I was going to be able to do this or not. It was such a great shave. I have the same blade in here, a Filoso blade. And something I neglected to show on the case, here's the case for the Lone Star by Norton Custom Designs. And it will hold the handle and the razor broken down, but this hole right here where the stud for the top cap goes also doubles as a razor stand for when traveling. So I wanted to show that real quick because I neglected to show it last night during the live. Another very nice, unique feature of this case. So I've got the lathers whipped up already. On this side will be Mr. Fine's Snakebite, and it came up with a very beautiful and generous lather. I have plenty of that. Scoop probably a little too heavy, even though I'm a heavy scooper. I think I went a little hard. I thought I was doing less, but man, these Cyclone bowls are just crazy. And then on this side, of course, will be Wet the Face Cold Fusion. Now, speaking of lathers, and this is a very, very, very soft crope. I had to really work this one a bit longer, and I'm curious if that's due to the menthol, but it did make a beautiful yogurty lather. So both of them get the point for lathering. Now, the point system: menthol is an alcohol. It can affect the lather if it's in abundance. So the lather structure is the first point. They both can earn it, and they both won the point on this one. So it's 1-to-1 right now. The next one will be initial coldness, and it's a 1-to-5 with the baseline of 1 being Parasso green. So if you're familiar with the menthol of Parasso green, that's a 1. So the highest is a 5, and they'll both earn points on a scale. The next point is for second pass coldness, only 1 winner, 1 point. Third pass coldness, only 1 winner and 1 point. And after that, it's going to be longevity. So whichever one lasts the longest, I'm going to set a timer. I have my other phone here. I'll set a timer, and I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to come back whenever one side, I stop feeling the menthol on one side. So whichever one lasts the longest will get the point. If at that point when I come back, I'm going to try to reactivate with water. Once I place the water on my face, whichever side reactivates gets the point. If they both reactivate, which one is more intense gets the point. And then there is a bonus point for scent. So that's where we're at on the point system. Let's get this shave going. Looking forward to this one. After this battle, we will be in the final 4. So let's see who moves on to the final 4. Let's get the face wet. going to start with Mr. Fine's Snakebite. I really love the soaps from Fine Accoutrements, and I've actually been shopping for another one. I'm thinking about getting, well, there's a couple of them I'm thinking about getting. One of them is, what's it called? American Classic, I think is what it's called. And the other one is Platinum. Those are the two I'm looking to possibly pick up. Here we go. Round 8 has begun. 8 rounds. I can't believe I've done 8 episodes of this. Yeah, I really don't get any scent. Just soap. Alright, let me scrape some of this off so I can work it in without making too much of a mess. Coldness is coming. Not as fast or as hard as I remembered it last time, though. It's kind of curious. But it's, here it comes, here it comes. Okay. Took a little while to kick in. So let's see here. Keeping an eye on the time here so I can match the other one. All right. So far, it's definitely not as cold as I remember the last time using Snakebite. Wonder if I'm building up a menthol tolerance. I forgot to bring one in here. I just got my menthol abatement stickers in. I did post them on a few web pages. There's a picture of it back there, but I meant to bring one of the stickers in. They're hologram stickers. They're really nice. I'll bring one in on the second half of the video. All right, first pass. This razor, I don't get tired of me saying this, but it is amazing. Fine, Mr. Fine's soap is such an incredible lather. It really is. And it's so easy to lather. All right. So, wow. Honestly, the way I'm currently feeling it, guys, and I don't remember what I rated it last time, but I'm gonna have to rate it a 2. Not sure what's happening over here. I could have sworn I rated it higher last time. I thought I rated it a 3, but at this point, it's feeling like a 2. Maybe I'm sick. I don't know. But yeah, it's not really giving me any kick or anything like I seem to remember, but I've used so many menthol soaps lately. Maybe I'm confusing it for one. Maybe it was a 2 last time. I'll have to go back and look, so I'm very, very curious now. In fact, I will while I'm waiting for the longevity. All right, Cold Fusion, first time in the arena. Here we go, first pass. Getting coldness pretty quick. Oh yeah, it's now kicking already. Yeah, definitely. In fact, I'm feeling the vapors in my eye. Honestly, I think I could have added some more water to this, but it is kicking hard. Very hard. This is a 4. All day long. This is a 4. That is amazing menthol. It's there. It is there. I'm feeling it here. In fact, it's kind of crawling over to the other eye. So, and I had set up for this battle like before noon. And I was still BBS at noon. Yeah, I'm not even feeling what's happening over here. I'm lopsided again. This is a shame. I had very high hopes for a tighter competition. We'll see what happens. All right, definitely super cold. Absolutely stand by that 4 on this side. All right, let's get the second pass. Water is pretty cold, not as cold as it normally would be. I must have snakebite in my memory confused with another one I'm thinking from another battle, but I'm going to go back and check the video and see. All right. It's cold, but no kick. Don't have that second pass kick. Man, this lather is so soft and velvety. It's having a hard time catching up with first pass over here. Yeah. It's trying to. All right. It's definitely cold, but nowhere near cold fusion. Across the grain. All right. Yeah, it's not catching up. It's not quite even. It's close. But let's do second pass with cold fusion. Oh, that is ice cold water. Ice cold. Boom. Boom, that is a kick. Second pass already. Point to cold fusion. That feels so good. Wow, that's cold. A little bit of sinus. All right. Such a smooth shave. Yeah, there's a bit of a fire going on over here. It's getting into a burning sensation territory. Love it. All right. And my shirt's getting all wet. All right, so that was 0.2 cold fusion. So we're at, that was a 4 and a 1 and a 1. So 6, and then it was a 2 and a 1, so 3, 6 to 3. It's a little bit colder on the water. Cool, and snake bite. Show me what you got. Okay, a little bit more this time. Definitely. Yeah, definitely showing his face a little bit more this time. It's I'm gonna give this a third pass work in. Give it a fighting chance. All right, against the grain. Super slick. Very good. This side is an ice cube. This side is cold, very cold, but not there. Beautiful. Not that there was a whole lot to shave off. All right. Really worried if I'm going to be able to shave it all tomorrow now. Final pass, cold fusion. Woo! That was an explosion. It's crazy because when I put it here, I could feel it all the way over here, but I guess because of the soap that's in my mustache there and beard. Man, that is cold. Just like this sheet of ice on my face. All right, third pass to cold fusion against the grain. Beautiful. Yeah, on fire on this side, majorly. Don, you've got some voodoo in that cold fusion there. And I thank you for it. Oh, that's it. Man, that hurt to touch. Wow. Yeah, I'm numb. I'm on fire. And it hurt to touch my face. Weird. All right, let me get rinsed off, and then we will get the aftershaves on and start the timer. Wow, this is just flaming. All right, be right back. Okay, if I didn't mention it, that final pass was definitely cold fusion. And if my count is correct, because math is hard, 3 to 7. So fine snakebite 3 and cold fusion 7. All right. Get this other phone ready. Where'd it go? All right, it's ready. So we'll start with snakebite. All right. Ooh, that's a sting. What is that? Man, that's on fire from the alcohol. Definitely stinging me. All right. Bring in the chill though, definitely. And cold fusion. Another alcohol burn. Start the timer. And man, both of these, this one is getting painful, actually. Very painful. This side is catching up to being on fire, but this side is hurting. Not in a bad way, not like, but you know, it's definitely got my cheek saying, what the F? Wow. No tears. A little bit of drainage. I'm having a hard time keeping both eyes open, actually. This side for sure. In fact, my eyes look a little bit of red. Yeah, it's powerful stuff, guys. Scent is definitely going to be cold fusion. So that is 3 to 8 so far. We're going to test the longevity. Hopefully my shirt dries. Looks like I've been drooling on myself. And we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Man, my cheeks are red. Wow. It's all red through here. I don't know if that was from shaving or, but man, look at that. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so the elapsed time was 26 minutes, 34 seconds, and snakebite has died off. I did go back and look at the last time snakebite was in the arena, and I rated it a 3. This time I rated it a 2. I'm curious what's going on there. I'm actually going to shave with snakebite tomorrow just to see how I feel about it again tomorrow. But nonetheless, that means longevity goes to wet the face, cold fusion for now a total of 9 to 3. Let's see if we can reactivate either of them. I don't think there's any way at this point that snakebite can catch up, but this time I'm going to go ahead and wet both sides at the same time. I think I probably should have been doing that the whole time instead of waiting. So I'm just going to do both. And I still feel this side a little bit already, so. All right. I think that's probably a better way to do the reactivation part, because then I can compare each other a lot easier on which one's more intense. This side's already growing. Again, I already was still feeling this. And it's definitely menthol, not just the coldness of the water. All right. I flipped the towel so I didn't contaminate the other side with the other soap or splash. Man, that's crazy. That's never happened before. This side's definitely growing, and I'm feeling the vapors. This side, nothing. A little bit maybe. Yeah, just a little bit right here in the sideburn area. But this side's still growing. So reactivation, both of them reactivated. This side's more intense. So that point goes to wet the face, cold fusion. So congratulations, Cold Fusion. You are the winner of round 8 of Blizzard Battles. So this one was really weird. I did not feel the same about snakebite that I did the first time I used it. It was up against Subtle Arts Arctic Blast, and it was pretty intense in that one that I remember. And watching the video while I was waiting for the longevity really brought that back. So curious. It's very curious. Wondering if it's just how today I'm reacting. I know your skin can react differently on different days, and it possibly is. This could be a whole lot colder tomorrow. Wet the face's cold fusion. So who knows? Maybe I'm just not being as reactive today. But that's it. So I did say I was going to bring the sticker to show you. So I do have the Texan Shaves menthol abatement and disposal. I'm going to be making these available. I'll be doing some giveaways and adding these into the giveaways at some point. Might just throw some sticker giveaways coming up. Who knows? But these are pretty amazing. I want to thank Mully Shaves for designing this for me. Thank you very much, sir. Go check out Mully Shaves' channel if you would. He's a good friend of mine. All of you probably know him already. But he's got some great content over on his channel. The link's down below in my description. So that's going to be it, guys. The conclusion of this, we are down to our final 4. So the final 4 is Wet the Face Cold Fusion, Chiseled Face, Grumatorium's Cryogen, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Frostbite, and the final one is Captain Nemo's Absolute Zero. Those are the final 4. The next battle, I believe, is going to be between Absolute Zero and Cryogen will be the next one. Yeah, that should be it. So, all right, guys, find your peace in what and where you can, and we'll see you next time. Why am I so red? We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.